Here we introduce you to S-From's new automatic EVA slitting machine.
Compared with the ordinary slitting machine, greatly improve the production efficiency. It's the best choice for the back-end machine of EVA production line. The operation mode uses a full touch screen and digital control.
And the speed of feeding horizontal knife and circular knife can be adjusted through the screen. The slitting part uses automatic pressure control systems and servo motor, which can realize 3 modes of vertical cutting, horizontal cutting, and simultaneous horizontal-vertical cutting. The machine is equipped with 8 circular knives, which are all made of nice chromium silicon steel. We have more longer surface life than ordinary steel. If you want to know more about the machine, you can visit our website or contact our service team through the following ways, and your questions will be quickly answered.